Hi, I'm Nikki from Fine & Country Leamington Spa, and I'm here with your April market update. So traditionally it has always been springtime where people begin to think about moving house and the property market starts to get busier, and this year has been no different. This has actually been accelerated with the easing of lockdown, and the pace of the market shows no signs of slowing down, and with consumer and industry confidence continuing to grow. We are, however, low of stock and the demand is high, so prices are staying strong, with many of our recently launched properties having had acceptable offers within weeks of them being launched to the market. The percentage change in average price across the West Midlands has increased by 9.4% year on year. Across the country, mortgage approvals are 19.5% higher than this time last year, and residential transactions has seen a nearly 50% increase annually. Buyers and estate agents are hoping for an increase in market appraisals and new listings in the coming weeks to supply the very big demand. If you are selling, it will be vital for you to have instructed your solicitor and be prepared well in advance of agreeing a sale to speed the process up and try and meet the stamp duty relief deadlines. If you are considering moving home, I'd be very happy to hear from you, and if you had any questions or if you wanted a free valuation, that would be great. Please stay safe and thank you very much for watching.